All right, so nothing on watch in particular besides AIMD. We have FXLV, and SAI as our leading gappers, but really, they're not doing nothing. I don't really care for them at all. Nice push here from AIMD. I'm gonna wait for this one to pull back, if anything. LMACA. I don't know why that's hit my scans. FXLV breaking through 3 here. See if we can even hold. Does kind of have a downtrend from here. I feel like I'm gonna slip up one day and delete all indicators. It's gonna be so annoying. Wow, look at AIMD. So this one's the one to watch, I guess. Next 5-minute candle's gonna open here pretty soon. We don't have really any resistance levels on mind at the moment, though. I mean, obviously where it's at right now would be about right here. Then we got another one practically up here. About 3. So triple top there. Big bid at 25. So I guess I could have got in there around 25. False break. Yeah, breaks 225. INM just got halted. INM, Alta going up. No volume as expected. Meanwhile, Jesus. I'm over here messing around with this other stock, AIMD, and then we got FXLV making a big move here. Okay. Go by support here at 304. I think 3 would be the better option though. Long there at 303, 500 shares. Selling there, got out of that. 3-cent loss in that. There's no bounce to it, and then as soon as the sellers leave, I was like, nah, I gotta get out. So no bounce to it. So one rejection already. That's about a $30 loser there. Let's go back to AIMD. This one is easy to borrow actually, which I didn't realize. Pull back to around 23 or 25. I'd take an entry. Big sell there at 32. It's not worth it. I'd rather short FXLV. It's flagging here. Inside red candle. It's holding my support here at 304. Took a starter there at 303, I guess. Three oh five, 306, 307. Gonna sell here at 306, I guess. Hitting the bid there at 304. So another loss in commission there. Such a view up, I could take an entry. It's pretty choppy, this stock already. I'll give it one more opportunity. Prepping for a short here, I guess. Short there, 301. Looking for the break at 3 on this 1 minute low. This MACD's coming to a close here. I did not see it break 3 there. Nope, stopping out there. That was a big loss. Back in 306. 308, 310. I'm gonna get rid of it at 311. A lot of green coming in, but no movement there. Just got rid of it at 311 again. Practically made back my loss there. I should have known once it held that low that it wasn't gonna break below 3. Technically, we're getting another large triangle setup, so I could short it right here. This is one, this is another 304, or around 304 would be our new support line. I don't know why I don't have a lot of confidence in this rip in here. I think if anything, it might come to this high 318 and then that's it. If we break out here on this next 1 minute, I'm gonna short it. Needs to break 315. There's 315. We go short there at 313. I was actually going for the break at 315. There's 315. Nah, I can't sell. Oh, that's why I couldn't sell. So, wow. What an unnecessary loss that was. I couldn't get rid of my position. I wasn't clicked in the box, so I couldn't get rid of my position. That's ridiculous. Even then, I was selling it way too late. I was trying to sell it at 20. I should have got rid of it at 17, 18. Right when it broke 15, I should have got rid of it. So that's completely on me. But knowing that I just couldn't sell there, I mean, that definitely is gonna put me down. Well, it's not definitely gonna put me down. I'm already down like crazy at the moment. That literally just ruined it. It was a 15-cent loss practically with 500 shares. Like, dude, that's like 80, 90 bucks right there. Then one trade gone. INM resumption. Reason I shorted it is because it broke its 5-minute high. What I didn't look at was its 10-minute. I should have been paying attention to its 10-minute. That was not the right setup. So that was just a bad trade in general. It was long regardless, but I shorted it just because I thought it was going to return on the 5-minute candle, break its high, and then from there take off lower. Like, I thought it was going to be a false break and then a breakdown lower. That's pretty much what I was going for, but I didn't look how strong it. I didn't look at the 10-minute how strong it actually was. So that was completely on me right there. Another short here, I guess. 22. Looking for this to break lower. If it can break this low here of 18, 19. Massive bid there at 20. Stopping out, break even. No, actually with the loss. Took a loss on that one. Buying there at 22. Just because the dips have been getting bought up so far, but I'm probably buying in so late at this point. It's probably not even going to get bought up on this one. The way it's finishing really low there. Seller stacked at 21. And get rid of it. That's because I sold on the ask and it sold me at 21 even though it's showing 22. That's so weird. Took another loss on this one. Taking long again at 22. Now it's stacked at 22. Oh wait, I'm not trying to buy. What the hell? That was weird. So I put the wrong key, I guess. Oh shoot, this whole time I've been adding into my position. I was wondering like what's going on. 1,500 shares. I just realized I've been adding this whole time. I haven't even. Jesus. Definitely need to see the break at 23. Not doing it. Stopping out for a loss. So that, wow, that kind of sucks. I thought I sold my position a long time ago. Then some mistake after mistake after mistake today. Not clicking in the order window. Ah man, like what's going on today? I'm done with this stock. I'm not gonna be trading this stock anymore. Like now my stuff isn't working. I don't understand what the hell's going on here. This is insane, dude. This stock I've just been messing up on too many times, going short, going long, going short, going long, and now look at it, it's got massive bounce on it. Hit 23 again, it's another wall there. Massive seller again. Technically a pullback, we'll get short again here, 19. I'm so late on it. Adding there at its lows. So adding there at 16. Immediate bounce on me. Back to 20. Big bid at 18 now, all of a sudden. So we break through. My average is probably 18, stopping out again. So another unnecessary loss there. Massive bounce. Jesus, man, this thing. I just can't trade this stock. Now we're down 260. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I guess I should have taken profit there instead of adding. I'm getting frustrated. I could tell I'm getting frustrated. It's just, like I said, this is all unnecessary losses here. This one I couldn't sell. I couldn't get out of my position. This one back here shorted, and then it kept adding when I thought I was selling. I was kind of confused, and now this one, I mean, shorted, and then immediate reversal. It's crazy how quick it is to reverse on me. But when I'm going long on this, it's a whole different story. So we're gonna get long here again. See where I'm in at 22. Looking for this to break its 5-minute high here, 29. On its 5-minute at least. This might take another minute to set up on the 5-minute. I'm in at 22, so we might add into this position in anticipation. Adding down there. See if this is even a good idea to add at all. Or if I'm literally just making a big mistake, because the last dip just got bought up easily. And this is looking like an obvious short. I'm assuming that was just a false break to the high side. I'm going to stop out. Let's go ahead and get short here. Add to my short. Ah, of course I would buy it, right? That's so annoying. Okay, I'm done. That's just stupid, man. This is just stupid. It's just mistake after mistake after mistake. I like right here, same situation. I'm still in the trade. How am I still in this trade? This is ridiculous, dude. Like, I sold my position, then I'm long, and then it adds more shares, and then I'm short, and then I'm long, and then I'm short. Like, which one is it, dude? This is getting insane. And it's just because of these simple mistakes. I couldn't sell here because I was clicked out the order window. Here, I just kept adding, pressing the wrong key. Here, I pressed the wrong key again. I added what 750 shares to this to a short, and now I'm positive 250. And then I sell it, and then oh no, you're still down. You're still in the trade. Like, how am I still in this trade? Just get me out of this trade already. I hit the bid and everything. So stopping out here, trying to sell my full position here. I'm not even gonna be surprised if this spikes on me, if I'm being real. That'd just be my luck at this point. Just get rid of it there at 19. So that's just insane. Now I'm finally out. Jesus. That's crazy, man. So mistake after mistake after mistake on this stock. Just little things here and there. And I wasn't doing too bad until this trade. Couldn't exit out. Even then I would have exited out at like 20, not 26. That's way too high for me. I was trying to get out at 20. I was giving it some time. Maybe it was gonna reject, but Obviously, I wasn't paying attention to its 10-minute, how strong it was. 150 in commission. Like, that's just another ridiculous thing. That's 15 trades, and I wasn't even planning to take that many today. Especially the way this thing was opening. So obviously this thing's just like, I'm getting frustrated, and you could tell by the over trading back here. But at the same time, up here is just a mistake. Like, okay, mistake, and then it starts triangle, or forming a triangle here. Okay, a short, and then it spikes, and I sell for a loss because it's never doing it, and then I buy in, and then it rejects, and then I keep adding when I think that I'm selling, like for a loss, break even, and then I sell for an actual loss, 319, and my average is like 321 on 1,500 shares. Decide to get short here, and then add to my short at the bottom, thinking the next 1 minute's gonna open low and continue to VWAP. But instead of adding to my short, it just spikes on me and immediately ramps up like right away. So okay, I'm gonna get long here, get long, and then oh, it rejects on me. Now this looks like a short. I add to my position, maybe it'll pop because it just spiked on me this last candle. Nope, sell for a loss here, and then from there, let me get short then, short. Accidentally added long on this short. I don't even know how I got long on it. Too many shares I try to sell out of. Doesn't go long, instead I sell for a loss, and then I add back to my short, and then it goes back up, and then I'll lose on my short. Like, it's just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth with this stock. It's just so annoying. But again, it's the same mistakes I keep making. I think that's what just got me so frustrated and wanting to trade even more. Is right here, adding, thinking I sold, shorting, adding to my short, thinking it's gonna keep going, and nah, it hit support. I guess it's my fault I didn't have a support line here. Technically, that's support. Still trading in this little channel here. So I mean, it's just trading within a small channel, sideways, flagging on this 5-minute, super choppy. Could wait for its next 10-minute candle to open up here. It's just, man, just mistake after mistake costing me today. Just every single trade I've taken so far has been pretty trash. This is a terrible way to end the month. This is insane. This is all my fault too. So again, I'm adding into a market that's not, that's not the type of market, especially not today. It's not the type of market to actually start adding into positions, but I'm adding anyways. So it's like, I gotta realize what kind of market I'm in. I'm looking for too big of a move here. Looking for this to break its 19 low. Now I'll have to buy pretty high here. Thickly traded stock, FXLV. I gotta see, the float is 50 million. I'm not vibing with the stock at all. Watch it break and be a false break on me. Just gonna get in here because it's just teasing 22. It's never breaking 22. Gonna buy the dip. If it does dip, I'm gonna buy that dip. Pretty sure the 5 minutes gonna be a false break. So there's a break lower. I didn't quite get to add on that. I wanted my actual entry to be around 19. This 22 sell is just insane. I don't even know how we're not coming close to breaking any levels with them. 45. Oh, couldn't get my ad there. trying to cancel my order. I can't even cancel my order. Look at that. Now I just missed my whole chance to sell here. Just as I said, false break. I'm not even surprised about it. How insane is that? I couldn't even sell because my I don't even know what happened there, bro. Like, that's insane. I couldn't sell that position. I clicked the sell button and then I have this thing opened up on view or something. Like, what is going on? Man, that was a good trade too. I mean, I was trying to add, couldn't add, and the next thing you know, it's all the way up at 27. So many sellers stacked against, and then just like I said, I knew it was gonna be a false break. I had a huge feeling it was gonna be a false break. Look at this massive rip. I'm not in on. Ah, that sucks. In there at 25 again. I think I took a huge share, it says on this one. Yep, I accidentally took 750. I don't even know where I'm in at 25. Yes. Next 1 minute should open here. 28. That's so crazy. Oh my god, I sell right into a surge. That's insane. How stupid, man. I sold right into the surge because right when I had seen 28 or 29, I was like, ooh, that's a wall. Like, I'd seen a whole stack of them and I was like probably not, because it was just like holding. And I was like, what I'm assuming is gonna happen is we're just gonna triple top here practically at this high. We're just gonna basically touch the high and then it's just gonna reject. Nah, that's so stupid on me. 28, I had a nice position there at 23, 5 cents, and that could have been a 10-cent winner at least. That was just stupid, man. Half my loss today is in commissions, like 16 trades. That's just insane. It's just, I'm just mind blown at this point. I'm gonna delete all line studies. This is insane to me. So many slip ups today. I don't even know what to say if I'm being honest. There's just so many slip ups today on the same stock. Couldn't sell twice. Mistake. Adding to my positions. Mistake. Thinking I'm selling, but really I'm just adding. You know, another mistake. Couldn't sell twice, like I said, just one right here, one right here. It's, come on, man. It sucks. Okay. At this point, I'm literally just trading just to see what's working, I guess. I mean, there's really no other reason I'm trading. I would have stopped realistically back here. But like, I'm seeing these moves and I feel like there's potential behind them. I mean, obviously I made money here, just couldn't get rid of it. Couldn't sell it because I was clicked out the order window or something on that. I don't even know what happened there. I don't even know how I got into this key or, you know, clicking up here. That's just so weird. And then this one, I mean, I just sold way too soon. That was just like, and that's so crazy because I was literally going for the break of this high at 29, but I just sold way too soon. The way it touched 28, came back, and then touched 28 again, came back. I was like, I don't know. I decided let me get rid of it, and then as soon as I notice I'm pressing the key, I see a surge of green, and I'm like, no, and I noticed immediately like, but like I thought it was gonna be a triple top here. It's just not gonna break like it did earlier, and then it just false broke or whatever. That's what I thought was gonna happen. Not I'm thinking of the other stock that did it, but still, I didn't trust it. Man. So whatever. We're gonna wrap it up here. 356. I haven't had a big loss like this in a while, or in about a week, I'd say, or like 2 weeks or something that I remember at least. But stepped up the share size today because it's not as volatile of a stock as it should be. Like it's not moving, 30 cents at a time practically. So stepped it up today, and then nah, just mistake after mistake after mistake. I gotta go back and review this. This is some bullshit. This is insane. I don't even know how I slipped up this bad today. This is so weird. Like I said, adding into my positions that hasn't happened to me in I don't know how long. On accident. Adding into this position, I mean, it's just the wrong market. Shouldn't have added into this position. Guess it was a good short, just couldn't sell it. I instead added, but even then, it was only for 4 cents. Not even worth it. Immediately spiked on me. Um, and these trades here, I mean, I'm adding into this dip, thinking it's gonna pop back up. It was a bad analysis of the stock entirely, I would say. There's a super bad analysis. I should have at least waited. Triangle formation here, I didn't see it. So we do have a triangle formation about right here somewhere. I just didn't see this one. So that formed, and then now we have the spike up and then a breakdown again. So we also had a triangle back here on this one. So another triangle right here. That's gonna be so annoying. It's gonna be doing this with all the lines. That's so annoying. So another triangle here, and then I guess you could say there's one more triangle up here. Again, just poor analysis of the stock. I'm literally scalping into this with no true analysis. And really, like I said again, the commissions is what really ate at my account today. I mean, that just cost me so bad. $170 of a loss in commission, and really it's just 189 in losses, so a little over my max stop loss here. But I mean, with the fees, like, it's so hard getting green. Once you, like, if I put in like 10 trades, that's already $100 or a little over 100 in fees. So $100 in fees, and if in those 10 trades I'm only making $10 at a time, I'm literally break even on the day. Like, I'm not making any money. So, and then if I make one good trade, I mean, I'm profitable, but I have to beat it by 3 cents. And then on top of that, I have all the other commissions stacked against me. Literally one trade could throw all that away. If I make a 50-cent trade with 1,000 shares, $500, and then I take one, I don't know, let's just say I traded 25 times. I take one 25-cent loser with 1,000 shares. Well, now I'm flat on the day. Like, it doesn't take anything for this thing, for commissions just to ruin my day. So carefully timed trades. I gotta be more accurate on my trades. It's just today, I mean, slop city. This thing is just, I don't know what happened. Like, I'm adding and then I can't sell. I don't know. That's just so weird. This hasn't happened to me in a long time. Just another unnecessary frustration that I'm getting here. I don't know. But obviously, again, I can't just keep blaming my keyboard and shit. It's gonna be me as well, because obviously, I'm not selling the right moves, I'm not making the right moves to begin with. I mean, just an unnecessary commission I'd be facing regardless. So, sheesh. What a trash day. And it's not a bad stock either. It was pretty easy to trade. I couldn't get the moves, I guess. Like shorting here. I should have got rid of it at 15. Instead I held it. 15 just ripped all the way up here to 20 something. Sold at 26. That should have been a long. I was just so focused on a false break and I didn't look at its 10-minute and how strong it was. Instead I was looking at its 5-minute. I was trying to short it on its 5-minute. I thought the 5-minute was gonna break, which it did. And I thought it was gonna be a false break to the downside and pull back some. But clearly not. It just immediately ripped. That was completely on me. That was my fault on that trade. More analysis on that one. This one, shorten it again. Went long, added. It's a tough one. But that's gonna be it for me for sure. I should have stopped a long time ago, but I'm just gonna take this loss, whatever. That's I'm gonna have to. Monthly recap. I mean, I'm definitely down 2,000 now because of this day. Was trying to keep it under 2 grand, but for sure I'm down. This will be the worst month I've ever had. It's just insane to me how red this month has been. I don't know. It's just insane. I can't comprehend it. Days like today, I mean, where I literally just messed up over trading one, but two is just 3 or 4 times the stock is just I couldn't sell, I couldn't do something, added. Little things like that. It's just like, jeez, those are just minor mistakes that I'm making. I shouldn't have made, but all right, go ahead and wrap it up here. We'll do a weekly or a monthly recap here. As to what's going on for the most part, what's happening, what happened this month. I'm gonna go over the best and worst trade days. I mean, we didn't have really any good trade days. I think my highest winner this entire month is $50. So that's just absolutely terrible. What I should be focusing on is mitigating my losses. I should have probably stopped on this short position. As soon as I had problems selling there, I should have just got rid of it and just stopped for the day or something. But man, this is it's a tough one. Oh my god, I'm so pissed. Anyway, all right, monthly recap. We'll work on it this weekend, and I will see you guys next week.